Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're joining us for the first time, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and to all my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how I made this bubble dress with a shoulder string that you are seeing on your screen. This is very easy. I made it for my daughter, so I just thought of sharing this with you. If that's something you're interested in, keep on watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. So to make this dress, the first thing you're going to measure out is, so depending on how wide or how full you want it to be, but for this tutorial I measured 30 inches wide, and then for the length of this dress depends on how long you want it to be on your child or whosoever you are making it for. So I went by 30 inches wide and then 20 inches long. That is what I did. Then after that, I went ahead to fold my fabric into two. Then you come to this shoulder line, the upper part, and then you're going to measure. You go in by 3 inches and then you go down by 3 inches. That is to create the armhole for this dress. So you go in by 3 inches and you go down by 3 inches. The next thing you're going to do is to connect it together. You're just going to curve it just like this so that you can get the appropriate shape for the armhole. Yes, that's just it. Then remember, you're going to cut two pieces of this, both for the front and the back. So that means when you are cutting it out, you're going to cut 30 inches wide and 20 inches long in two places. That's what you're going to do. Then after marking out the armhole, you're going to go ahead and cut it out. Then you take another piece, which is for the back piece, and then you're going to repeat the same thing as well. You fold it into two. After folding it into two, you place this one on top of it. The first one which you just created the armhole, you place it on top of this back piece. Then you cut out exactly what you have on the other piece, just like this. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut out everything. You want both the front and the back to be the same. You don't want one to be longer than another. Now after cutting it, then you should have something like this. Now the next thing you're going to do is to take one of them, open it up, and then on that shoulder side you're going to fold it by 1 inch, just like this, because that is where your string is going to pass through. So I'm just going to fold it by 1 inch. Now I'm just going to, so after folding it by 1 inch, I'm just going to fold it again a little bit so it can be like the hem can be very nice. Yes, just going to fold it a little bit like that, but you are sticking to the 1 inch measurement, right? So after doing that, you're going to take the other piece as well. You're going to repeat the same thing. You fold it in by 1 inch, but remember there is this armhole. Remember you cut out the armhole. So when you take it to your sewing machine, I will advise that you first of all stitch. I forgot to show you guys in this video. So you're going to first of all stitch the armhole part first. Then after stitching the armhole part, you fold it in once, you fold it in again in order to give that neat hem. Then after sewing the armhole side, then you're going to fold the shoulder part by 1 inch. I hope you guys understand what I'm trying to say. So then this is just me showing you. Now remember, the dress is having a string, so this is the string that I'm going to be using. It's just like a rope, a normal rope. The length of this string depends on how you want to tie your daughter's clothes. Honestly, if you want it to be very long so you can create like a bow, just make it, but don't make it too long. They are kids. So I'm just going to fold it in like this and create our rope. It's very easy. Fold it in on the other side, and bring it together in the middle. Then you're going to have this nice and tiny rope. Just follow what I am doing very well. So now I'm going to repeat same thing for the other string as well. Remember, we have two string. So guys, this is what we have. You see what I was saying on the armhole? I first of all stitch it, and then before folding the upper part like this. So remember, when we fold the upper part, we're going to leave holes inside. That is where the string is going to pass through. I'm just going to use my safety pin, not office pin. I'm using my safety pin. I insert the safety pin inside the string like this, and then I'll pass that rope through the hole that we created. So I'm going to pass my string through that hole in order to pull it. By the time I finish passing the string into the hole, I'll pull it together. That is where you get the beautiful design, that's pulled up design that you see in the beginning of this video. So after that, I'll go ahead and use the pin to secure the end like this before taking it to the sewing machine to run a straight stitch. You don't have to if you don't want to, but remember they are kids. If they are playing, they just pull out the string, then the whole dress is done like that. So I would suggest, or I will advise for you to like stitch it just to secure the string together with the dress. So this is just me adjusting it, and then the measurement we have after pulling the string is 6.5 inches, and I think that is perfect for kids. But if your child is not on the bigger side, you can just do 5. You don't want them to be too loose to the point that it will be falling off a shoulder. But another advantage of this string dress is that you can always adjust it to whatever that suits your child's body. So I'm going to repeat same thing for the other piece as well. Like I said, whatever we do for the front, we do for the back. Everything has to be the same. Now that we have gotten that, you guys can see this is just me trying to play around the string. Now after that, the next thing we're going to do is to join the two sides together. So you take it to your sewing machine and join the sides together, and then you join the other side as well together. Then after that, you will go ahead and fold the hem of your dress. Just fold it in once and twice. So guys, that's just basically it about this tutorial. We are done. This is the finished look. It came out so cute and I'm really happy. In the next tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how I made the headband for this dress. Please stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Please make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell so you get to know anytime I drop new videos. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.